Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix TikTok not opening. If you're using TikTok and you're having the issue that your TikTok app is not opening, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the first thing you have to make sure that your TikTok app is not updating or not on installing process. So you just have to open your App Store or Play Store, and here you have to go for search and simply search for TikTok, and you have to make sure that your TikTok app is not on downloading or not on installing process, or if your TikTok is on zero, you just have to wait for that until it's completed. And once you have checked, or if your TikTok is not on installing or updating, but you're still having the same issue, you have to open your settings, then go for general, go for software update, and here you have to make sure that you haven't any software update available, or if you have any software update, try to update with just software, or you can try to update your TikTok app. Go for the App Store, and here you have to search for TikTok and try to update your TikTok app. And once you have done so, it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, so you have to make a force restart your phone. So in order to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, wait for your phone until it goes fully black. So it might take a while, so you must have to wait for it. And once you get the black screen, you have to wait for Apple logo here. And once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. And once your phone has been restarted, so it will fix your issue. So in this way, you can easily fix if you are having the issue that your TikTok app is not opening. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.